Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Snehita, PhD in Medical Biochemistry. So welcome to my day 4 of Biochemistry Skin Truth Series. So I am here with most common and the popular myth. And myth is, जो भी आप natural product use करते हैं, do you think that is more safer and effective one than the lab test one? So that is completely a myth. What is mean by natural skincare product? So natural products are mainly derived from the plants, minerals or other resources with minimal processing. Example is like turmeric, rose water, tree oil, coconut oil, neem, aloe vera. All these are the example of natural skincare products. Biochemistry inside why natural product always does not mean the safer and most effective one. First is the skin barrier. Skin barrier is there to protect our skin. Not all molecules, not even the natural one. So it cannot penetrate or go to the deeper layer of our skin. And second is essential oils like lemon or the lavender oil. They are the highly volatile compound. And volatile compound is like they can evaporate in the room temperature, can also lead to contact dermatitis or photosensitivity. And third is natural preservative. Natural preservative are also weak and it can lead to the bacterial contamination. One is a lab made product, that is the lab tested, and the natural product are made batch by batch, which cannot deliver the consistent result.
Many believe that natural means safe, but research proves otherwise. These editorials and studies from JAMA Dermatology, Frontier and Pharmacology and the NIH shows that natural products are often unregulated, inconsistent and not actually clinically effective or safe. We must trust evidence, not just marketing.
Common natural ingredient that can irritate your skin. First is a lemon juice that is very acidic and can damage your skin and irritate your skin and also lead to the photosensitivity. And second one is a baking soda. Baking soda is highly alkaline and can damage your skin barrier. And third is the essential oil. They can trigger the allergic reaction. And fourth is like raw honey. They can contain the bacteria and the non-stable. And toothpaste mainly used in pimples but can damage your skin. So please don't fall for this natural ingredient myth. If it is edible, if it is found in home, तो it's safe है skin के लिए. This is wrong. हमारा skin और gut they work very differently. The second one is DIY face mask is always better than the store bought face mask. No, because जो घर में बना it can be a pH imbalance. It can be unstable and unhygienic. More natural is equal to more effective. This is wrong. और कितना क्वांटिटी आप यूज कर रहे हैं और कहाँ से सोर्स है उस चीज का, इट डजंट डिफाइन देयर पेनिट्रेशन कि आपकी स्किन में कितना पेनिट्रेट करेगा और कितना इफेक्टिव है वो आपके फेस के लिए. इट डजंट डिफाइन द रिजल्ट ऑफ दैट. So how to safely use the natural ingredient? First, do the patch test, even it is natural or synthetic. And second, use the formulated product. So please do not mix the more actives, even it is synthetic or natural, without understanding their interaction. So last one is the skin compatibility. आपके स्किन के साथ कैसे compatibility है, even it is a natural or synthetic. Not only knowing the source of the ingredient. So fact is, natural product is not always safe and effective. Your skin doesn't recognize it is a natural product or synthetic product. So your skin doesn't have any radar कि वो natural product or synthetic product है. So it's only react to the molecular structure, size, concentration and how it is formulated. So what really matters is biocompatibility, molecular structure, proven efficacy, lab testing and skin safety regardless with origin. Official regulation can define the natural in cosmetics. They often choose the natural as a marketing tools, not the scientific one. Many natural products contain the synthetic composition in them. Product you must be using. So choose the product based on your skin type. That can be oily, combination, dry, sensitive. Skin concern, like it has a pigmentation, yeah, acne scar, aging. So last one is a scientific evidence. The ingredient which are proven to work, please use that thing only. The best product strategy, just don't chase what is natural and what is synthetic. Just go for what is proven. One of the well formulated product, first is a niacinamide that controls the oil and also protect the skin barrier. And also the ceramide moisturizer you can use for the restoration of skin barrier. Salicylic acid that can unclog your pores and also useful in the blackhead. And peptide used for the anti-aging purpose. And also the vitamin C useful for your glow and the pigmentations. So effective natural ingredient backed by science are.
So aloe vera, niacinamide, green tea, licorice root and cica are the effective natural ingredients.
So I have suggested some skincare brand based on their ingredient and formulation and based on my own research. So you can follow that. Many of them are natural with proven efficacy, skin safety and lab testing. You can go for that. So it's all about day 4. Bye bye, take care and please follow for more.